Okay, Bandhan Bank in focus today. There's been a large block traded, and let me first tell you the reasons for this share sale. So, Bandhan Financial Holdings owns 60% in Bandhan Bank, and based on RBI directives, they were earlier told that they had to bring it down to around 40%. So, ironically, the stake sale coming up was for exactly around 20 to 21%, which would bring Bandhan Financial Holdings down to around 40%. So it's a RBI compliance thing. We've seen this with Kotak Mahindra Bank recently, where Mr. Uday Kotak sold around 4% of his stake in Kotak Mahindra Bank, in addition to raising funds via QIP to the tune of, I believe, $1 billion. So those two combined brought his shareholding down to a reasonable norm. Now, how it works is, at the time of obtaining a banking license, these percentages are usually clearly defined. In the case of Kotak Mahindra Bank, it wasn't so. There was definitely some grey area, which is why deliberations went on for so long, and there was a fair bit of negotiation and tussle between Mr. Kotak and the RBI, if I may say that, that also led to Kotak Mahindra Bank paying a fine at one point to the RBI for delaying compliance with this specific shareholder norm. It's geared around making sure that promoters don't have too much of a say in what's happening with the decisions at a bank. Ultimately, they are the ruling person or chair or body, whatever you want to call it. But from a voting rights perspective, they want that to be capped off somewhere. So in the case of Kotak Bank, although Mr. Uday Kotak does have shares to the tune of 26%, his voting rights are capped at a lower 20%. So it's about limiting control. At the case of Bandhan Bank, there was talk around the time of the Q1 results that there might be a merger between Bandhan Financial Holdings and Bandhan Bank, and that would then bring Bandhan Financial's holding in the bank down to possibly closer to 40%. However, it seems that more time has gone by, and despite the fact that the price has eroded significantly, Bandhan Bank market cap used to be 1 lakh crore. It's now come down to half of that. Given that this is being done at this price, 311 rupees per share, and 33 crore shares are being sold, so it's not a small sum of money. It's interesting, right? It's an interesting development, and this will bring Ghosh, who's the MD and CEO, Mr. Ghosh, into the RBI's norm, so that won't be an issue anymore. Also, stake sale overhang will be gone from the stock, which is something that's always received very positively by the street. So these are the positive cues coming out of this stake sale. The names ranged from marquee like Societe Generale, Credit Suisse. There were even some local domestic funds that participated. And it just goes to show that Bandhan Bank, $1.4 billion, 10,500 crore block was liquidated today. That's higher than what Mr. Uday Kotak has liquidated in the past with his fundraising and share sale, and it's even higher than the recent Airtel block that was liquidated to the tune of about $1 billion. So one of the larger stake sales that we've seen in recent times, that's not garnering fresh equity into the company. Mind you, it's the promoter taking money off the table, and the appetite seems to be quite immense from the institutional perspective.